Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. The Honda Ridgeline most recently received a major refresh in 2021, adding more rugged styling, revised gearing, and an even tougher-looking HPD package. It's now ported to 2023 with no change, and that's not necessarily a bad thing when it comes to this mid-size truck. We appreciate Ridgeline's cute road behavior and thoughtful packaging. The 2023 Honda Ridgeline competes directly with other mid-size trucks, including the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and Chevrolet Colorado. The Honda Ridgeline is all the truck most people really need. In addition to slippery features such as the in-bed trunk, which also acts as a cooler, its unibody structure provides cross-like handling and ride quality. These features are aided by its fully independent suspension. The Ridgeline also provides decent fuel economy and fast acceleration. With the 2023 Ridgeline, however, the picture isn't perfect. The Ridgeline was criticized for its limited towing capacity and off-road capability. While the updated exterior looks tougher than before, it won't be enough to impress buyers looking for a vehicle that looks like a more traditional pickup truck. All in all, the Ridgeline remains a solid choice for those who need a pickup truck that puts everyday drivability before class-leading capability. The 2023 Honda Ridgeline continues to do most of the usual truck work without sacrificing comfort and driving dynamics. A 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque powers all 2023 Honda Ridgelines. Honda equips each truck with a 9-speed automatic and all-wheel drive as well. As of the 2021 model year, Honda has shortened the Ridgeline's gearing, allowing for a 6.3-second 0 to 60 miles per hour run. The EPA has rated the 2022 Honda Ridgeline at 1824 mpg city/highway. The Honda Ridgeline has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. That falls short of some competitors' 7,500-pound maximum pull. Honda introduced the HPD package for the 2021 Ridgeline and continues to offer it for the 2023 model year. This equipment package adds some slick-looking bronze wheels, massive black fender flares, a sportier-looking grille, HPD decals, and HPD badge. The 2022 Honda Ridgeline earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA with 5 stars in the overall forward crash test, 5 stars in the overall side crash test, and 4 stars in the rollover crash test. IIHS rated the 2022 Honda Ridgeline's crash durability as good, the highest score in every category except the minor overlapping front passenger side category, where it scored the second highest average out of 4 points. Its headlights received a marginal rating from IIHS, the second lowest rating. Honda equips the 2023 Ridgeline with a variety of standard safety technology, along with driver assistance features including automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and road departure mitigation. The 2023 Honda Ridgeline only comes in a cab and bedding configuration. The interior is spacious for both front and back seat occupants, and the 5-foot bed can be extended to almost 7 feet when the tailgate is folded down. The bed holds 33.9 cubic feet of cargo, which is on the smaller side of the segment. Each Ridgeline also has an in-bed trunk that offers 7.3 cubic feet of additional storage space.